Hello, welcome to DK Boljat. I am working on the coast picture and I'm using a 20-0 fan brush. I've loaded it with a little bit of transparent red, raw umber, and a little bit of Portland gray. And I'm going to come in here and put it right here at the base here where it's just kind of black. I want to make it become part of the rock as well. And we'll blend it out. Just going to put that at the base there. And then there's a little bit more coming up here. Little shelves of it. And also in the front. And I'm going to blend the foreground where it's reddish brown. I'm going to blend that out with a little bit of tan, which is going to be yellow ochre, burnt umber, a little bit of white. Yeah. And I can put that right across here. There we go, we'll just kind of blend it out a little bit. Oil is the best for blending. I find it much easier to blend oil than I do acrylic. That's my personal experience, but you may have a different experience. That's okay. This is a little bit of Portland gray, and that's a gambling color. I'm going to put a couple little ledges I can see here. I need the smaller brush to do that. My fan brush really isn't doing the trick, so I'm going to get the little mini round. This is a 20-0. And go into the Portland gray color and make some ledges in the foreground there. It's just going to tie this rock into the rest of it. Putting little ledges on. There we are. Little ledges, and then it's tied in down here. I put that in, and it's got some gray in here. I don't know that I want to match that exactly, but I am going to put a little bit of shadow gray on there in the sand. So there's a bit of sand right in the foreground here, and that would be better with a fan brush, I think, which I can go over it with a fan brush, and I will do that. See if I've got this. I'll just put this in, and I'm going to go right over it with the fan brush. This is a little bit of chromatic, it's chromatic black and white. There we go. I'm just going to add some little sand in here. It'll tie it all together. Because we don't have that. We have some yellow ochre sand. And a little bit more titanium white. I'll bring it up closer. And this sand in this foreground is sort of gray, not so much tan. And of course, my picture does not have to be exactly like the reference photo. Reference photo is just for me to refer to and pull out of it what I want to take out of it. That's all. See if I can get more of that. A little bit of chromatic black and titanium white. And I am so glad you joined me today. If you like process videos, please click like. And if you want to see more videos like that with the process of painting, I do acrylic and oil. So this one has acrylic underneath all this oil, and now I'm doing oil over the top. Those are the mediums I use, and this is just on stretched canvas. I'm going to bring those rocks back. I think those rocks need to come back. But I'm glad you joined me. That's awesome. And we'll get that to be a little bit more sand here. Not so much green, more sand. There we go. And I'm going to get a little fine tip brush and put chromatic black on it and put those rocks back that I just went over with the sand. You can see them right there. I do not want a pattern, and there's a whole bunch of rocks here. This is shadow. And I can use put the light on the top, the light color of the rocks, which would be white. Mostly it's going to be like a gray. Could be tan, but it looks like it's gray in most of them. Kind of like the sand color. I'm glad you joined me today. I'm going to see if I can get some white here. There we go. As long as I can get it to be a different value of what's there, I will be able to make the rocks come back. Okay. I'm glad you joined me. Please like and subscribe to this channel, DK Boljat, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you.